Hello everyone, this is 26 to 30 September the current affairs video, and please forgive me if I do some mistake in pronunciation in some news and take some time to elaborate the news. Please forgive me for any mistakes I do in the session. And first of all, I like to thank you all for visiting my channel. Let's get started. CM of Delhi Arvind Kejriwal launched tourism app Dekho Mera Delhi. CM of Delhi Arvind Kejriwal launched Dekho Mera Delhi. CEO of Tata SIA Airlines Limited, known by brand name Vistara, Leslie Singh. CEO of Tata SIA Airline Limited. Tata SIA Airline Limited. CEO Leslie Singh. Brand name Vistara. Fraud loan 2021 1.37 trillion. Fraud loan 1.37 trillion. Power Finance Corporation Limited said to become a 11th Maharatna company. Power Finance Corporation 11th Maharatna company. MD and Chairman Ravinder Singh Dillon, MD and Chairman. RBI 2 crore penalty on breaching deposit. RBL Bank 2 crore penalty. Combat Vehicle Research and Development Establishment develop MBT Arjun MK1. Combat Vehicle Research and Development established develop MBT Arjun MK1. Validity period of GI Tag 10 year. 99th Military Engineering Services Rising Day 26 September. 99th Military Engineering Services Rising Day 26 September. 99th Engineering Service Rising Day 26 September. S&P Global Ratings GDP forecast 9.5%. Government of Ministries Government Tax Slabs Basavaraj Bomani. Tax Slab Head Basavaraj Bomani. 10th Russian Grand Prix Lewis Hamilton. ICICI Bank Amazon India to offer overdraft facility up to 25 lakhs. ICICI Bank Amazon India to offer overdraft facility up to 25 lakh. ICICI Amazon 25 lakh overdraft facility. Audit Bureau of Circulation Devbatra Mukherjee. Bureau of Circulation. Audit Bureau of Circulation Devbatra Mukherjee. USA signed Mutual Recognition Agreement with India. Authorized economic operators. USA signed Mutual Recognition Agreement with India. Authorized economic operators. World Tourism Day by UN 27th September. World Tourism Day 27th September. Government of Union Territories of Jammu and Kashmir acquired over 16.76 or shares of rupees 500 crore in Jammu and Kashmir Bank. Total 74 stakes. Government of Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir acquired 74% stake in Jammu Kashmir Bank, that is rupees 500 crore. World Tourism Day 27 September. ICICI Bank Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited FASTag payments. ICICI Bank HPCL FASTag payment. Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission 15th August. National Cadet Corps Director General Gurbir Pal Singh. National Cadet Corps Director General Gurbir Pal Singh. National Cadet Force NCC Director General Gurbir Pal Singh. The Fractured Himalayas Nirupama Roy. Written by Nirupama Rao. Binoy Saikia Shanti Swarup Earth, Atmosphere, Ocean and Planetary Science Coal and Energy Award. Binoy Shanti Swarup Earth, Atmosphere. Binoy Shanti Swarup Award Earth, Atmosphere, Ocean. 48th Chief Justice N.V. Ramana. Kiran Rijiju First Sports Arbitration Center of India, Gujarat. Kiran Rijiju First Sport Arbitration Center, गुजरात. हिमाचल प्रदेश वर्ल्ड हाईएस्ट इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल चार्जिंग स्टेशन. हिमाचल प्रदेश वर्ल्ड हाईएस्ट इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल चार्जिंग स्टेशन. वर्ल्ड फार्मासिस्ट डे 25th September. Pharmacist Day 25th September. Pharmacist Day 25th September. Pharmacy always trusted for your health. Pharmacy always trusted for your health. Always trusted for your health. Kerala inaugurated Digital Hub 200 startup. Kerala inaugurated Digital Hub 200 startup. Sojal Mehendi, Rajasthan GI tag. Assam rice wine. Sojal Mehendi, Rajasthan. Assam rice wine. Judima and Nagaland's cucumber GI tag. Judima and Nagaland's cucumber GI tag. Judima and Nagaland's cucumber GI tag. The Long Game Vijay Gokhale. The Long Game written by Vijay Gokhale. The Long Game written by Vijay Gokhale. 1400 crore for promotion for medical device parks. 1400 crore for promotion of medical device parks. 1400 crore. International Day for Universal Access to Information. International Day for Universal Access to Information 28th September. International access to universal access to information. External Auditor of International Atomic Energy GC Murmu. External Auditor International Atomic Energy GC Murmu. International Atomic Energy External Auditor GC Murmu. Ordnance Factory Board dissolved by Government of India into 7 defense PSU. OFB Ordnance Factory Board dissolved in 7 defense PSU. Fast and secure transmission of electronic records launched by Supreme Court, transferring e-authenticated copies. Fast and secure transmission of electronic records. Fast and secured electronic records launched by Supreme Court, transferring e-authenticated copies. 29 September World Heart Day. Anthony Baez de Luna. 29 September World Heart Day. 29 September World Heart Day. 29 September World Heart Day. Anthony Baez de Luna. International Day for Awareness of Food Loss and Waste, UN 29 September. International Day for Awareness of Food Loss and Waste, 29 September, UN. PM Japan Fumio Kishida. PM of Japan Fumio Kishida. International Day of Awareness of Food Loss and Waste, 29 September, UN. Kulpreet Yadav Battle of Rizangla. Kulpreet Yadav the Battle of Rizangla, India China 162 war. Kulpreet Yadav written the Battle of Rizangla, India China 1962 war. India Debt Resolution Company Limited, Government NPA. India Debt Resolution Company Limited, Government NPA. IAU Astronomical Moon South Pole, Matthew Henson. IAU International Astronomical Union. IAU Moon South Pole, Matthew Henson. Rafael Grossi, DG of International Atomic Energy Agency. Rafael Grossi, DG of International Atomic Energy. ADB approved a loan of $251 million for urban flood protection and Chennai Costalia River Basin. ADB approved loan $251 million. ADB approved loan $251 billion. Okay. Bhutan India small satellites. Indian Council of Agriculture Research Development 35 climate resilient crop varieties. India Council of Agriculture Research ICAR developed 35 climate resilient crop varieties to address issue to climate change and malnutrition. To address issue of climate change and malnutrition. Sania Mirza, Shaui Zhang Ostrowa Open Women's Double. Sania Mirza Xiaoyi Zhang. Sania Mirza Xiaoyi Zhang Ostrowa Open Women's Double. Natural History Museum of UK signed an MOU with ZSI Funnel Diversity. First female ZSI Dhirti Banerjee. First female ZSI. Geological. It is something related to geological. I don't remember the full form of this. Dhirti Banerjee. Just remember ZSI. HAL lease agreement plus Alliance Air Aviation Limited to deploy civil Dornier 228 aircraft in Arunachal Pradesh. HAL lease agreement. Alliance Air Aviation Limited. HAL lease agreement Alliance Air Aviation Limited to deploy civil Dornier 228 aircraft in Arunachal Pradesh. International Translation Day. 30th September. Translation 30th September. 65th session of IAEA's General Conference. President H.E. Sadiq Morphy. 65th session IAEA's General Conference. 65th session. President H.E. Sadiq Morphy. Paytm Payment Bank RIA Money Transfer. International remittance directly into the digital wallet. Paytm Payment Bank RIA Money. UP Electronic Park Jewar Airport Boundary Odisha Uttarakhand Rajasthan. UP has boundary with Odisha, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan. Electronic Park Jewar Airport. Gunners Day, Regiment of Artillery, 28th September. Gunners Day, 28th September. Summit for Information and Democracy, USA, Anurag Thakur. Summit for Information and Democracy, USA, Anurag Thakur. Information Democracy, USA, Anurag Thakur. Gulab Cyclone, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh. UNHCR Nansen Refugee Award, Jail Albena Association. UNHCR Nansen Refugee Award, Jail Albena Association for Humanitarian Development, Yemen. UNHCR Nansen Refugee Award, Jail Albena Association for Humanitarian Development, Yemen. The National Institute for Rural Development and Panchayati Raj, Hyderabad. Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Vanijya Saptaha, 20 to 26 September. Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Vanijya Saptaha, 20 to 26 September. Smart Villages Bridging the Global Urban-Rural Divide. Book written by Sridhar Vembu. Smart Villages Bridging the Global. Smart Villages Sridhar. Ministry of Information and Technology, Elderline. New scheme, Elderline. Electronics and Information Technology, Elderline. New scheme. Minimum ticket size set up by RBI for the issuance of securitization notes, 1 crore. Minimum ticket size set up by an RBI to issuance of securitization note, that is 1 crore. 3 MOU, Emphasis Karnataka for Skill Development and EP. 3 MOUs, Emphasis plus Karnataka for Skill Development plus NEP. Emphasis Karnataka. 3 MOU has signed. Rukmini Banerjee Eden Prize Education Development. Eden Prize for Education and Development. And Eric A. Hansik Education and Research. Eric Education. Rukmini Eden. Eric Education. World Archery Championship, 3 silver. We got 3 silver. Naga Cucumber GI Tag, Nagaland. We have already discussed this. TCS German based commercial bank Nord or LB, strategic partner IT in infrastructure. IT infrastructure. TCS, German-based commercial bank Nord LB. TCS, German commercial bank Nord LB, strategic partnership infrastructure in India. Rajesh Verma Company Law Committee. Rajesh Verma Company Law Committee. Mata Sankrish Nata Sankritna 3-day music festival Manipur. Nata 3-day music festival Manipur. Rajesh Verma Company Law Committee. Rajesh Verma Company Law Committee. Nata 3-day music festival Manipur. Nata 3-day music festival Manipur. IBSF 6 Raid Snooker World Cup Doha Qatar. IBSF Shooting Championship 6 Raid Snooker World Cup Doha Qatar. Pankaj Advani. Federal Bank NPCI Rupee Singet contactless debit card. Federal Bank NPCI Rupee Singet. Federal Bank NPCI Rupee Singet. UAE statement. India emerged as the second biggest trading partner. UAE statement. India emerged as the second biggest trading partner of Dubai while China top. UAE statement. India emerged as the second biggest trading partner. Dubai while China top. World Book Capital 2021. World Book Capital 2021. Tbilisi, Georgia. Andrew Azoulay, Director General of UNESCO. UNESCO Director General Andrew Azoulay. Total Small Finance Bank 12, Paytm Bank 6. Small Finance Bank 12, Paytm Bank 6. Sarad Foreign Ministerial Meeting cancel. SARC Foreign Ministerial Meeting cancel. World Patient Safety Day 17th September WHO. Patient Safety Day 17th September WHO. Safe maternal and newborn care. World Environment Health Day 26 September. World Environment Health Day 26 September. World River Day 4th Sunday of September. River Day 4th Sunday of September. Mark Anglo proposed the idea of World Rivers Day 4th Sunday, 26 to 29 September. Indian Army Vijay Sanskritik Mahotsav. 26 to 29. Mark Anglo Rivers Day 4th Sunday. Kolkata and 26 to 29 Indian Army celebrated Sanskritik Mahotsav at Kolkata Golden Jubilee India Park War 1971. In universal access to information, the right to know, building back better with access to information. Universal access to information. The theme is right to know, building back better with access to information. NABARD plus Arunachal Pradesh credit support yak husbandry. NABARD Arunachal Pradesh credit support yak husbandry. International football team Azzurri Italy. Italy Azzurri top. Spain Ministry of Defence India to supply 56 C to 95 megawatt transport aircraft. Spain Defence Minister India to supply 56 590 megawatt transport aircraft. Rupees 22,000 Airbus. Total elimination of nuclear weapon 26 September UN. Total elimination of nuclear weapon 26 September UN. Ministry of Defence. Income limit of disabled dependents to be eligible for family pension less than 30% of the last paid drawn. Less than the 30% pension. Minimum. Ministry of Defence. Income limit of disabled dependents. Income limit for disabled dependents to be eligible for family pension less than 30% of the last pay down. Basavaraj Bomani GST Council Tax Slab and Ajit Pawar. Mr. Basavaraj Bomani head the GST Council Tax Slab. Ajit Pawar Ministry of Tax Evasion. Ajit Pawar Tax Evasion. Remember this difference. Ajit Pawar Tax Evasion. Basavaraj Bomani Tax Slab. Global FinTech Festival 2021. FinTech Digital Economy Empowering a Global FinTech Festival. The theme is FinTech Empowering a Global Digital Economy. LIC Department of Post Print to Post Solution. LIC Department of Post. LIC Department of Post Print to Post Solution. Om Birla inaugurated Nidhi 2.0 scheme. Om Birla inaugurated Nidhi 2.0 scheme. Hospitality. Ministry of Tourism. Om Birla Nidhi 2.0. Om Birla Nidhi 2.0 scheme. RTI response time 30 days. RTI response time 30 days. First edition Himalaya Film Festival. Ministry of Information and Technology. First edition Himalaya Film Festival. Ministry of Information and Technology, Leh Ladakh. NPCI plus Yes Bank Rupee on the go. NPCI Yes Bank. NPCI Yes Bank Rupee on the go. Contactless payment solution. Vistara Airline IndusInd Bank. Vistara Airline IndusInd Bank. Vistara Airline IndusInd Bank. Club Vistara IndusInd Bank Explorer to enhance the traveling experience. Oman sign Indian Navy White Shipping Information and to boost maritime safety. Oman sign Indian Navy White Shipping Information Technology to boost marine safety. Oman sign Indian Navy. Oman sign Indian Navy. Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission Digital Health ID 14 digit. Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission 14 digit Health ID. Ways and limit advances October March 50,000 crore. 50,000 crore. Raise and mean advances October to March 50,000 crore. Newly set up Task Force Finance Architecture of India Ajay Seth. Finance Architecture of India Ajay Seth. MSME The Champions Portal 50 lakh registration. MSME The Champions Portal 50 lakh registration. The central government launched National Action Plan. Central Government National Action Plan. Central Government National Action Plan. Rabies eliminating 2030. Rabies eliminating 2030 target. Shanti Swarup awardee. Total 11 people. Shanti Swarup awardees total 11 people. September 22. Validity of Companies Law Committee. Validity of Companies Law Committee formed by Ministry of Corporate Affairs. 2022 Validity of Company Law Committee. 2022 September 2022 Validity of Company Law Committee formed by Corporate Affairs. Formed by Corporate Affairs. Brand Amma of Mastercard Meltware Champion Chase Tour Magnus Carlsen. Brand Ambassador Magnus Carlsen Mastercard and Meltware Champion. Elderline toll free 14567 CEO of American Multinational Corporation Qualcomm Cristiano Aman. CEO of American Multinational Corporation. CEO of American Multinational Corporation Kuala Lumpur Cristilino Amanon. HDFC Bank Overall Outstanding Company Asia Money 2021 poll. HDFC Bank Overall Outstanding Company. HDFC Bank Overall Outstanding Company Asia Money. US won Ryder Cup. US won Ryder Cup Golf. Ryder Cup related to golf. Ryder Cup related to golf. US won. Vincent Coin US by defeating Europe. Vincent Coin Wisconsin US by defeating Europe. Anurag Thakur reviewed the construction of Zojilia Pass Tunnel Ladakh. Anurag Thakur reviewed the construction of Zojilia Pass Tunnel Ladakh. Kuerseli of Festival of the Nomads Nigeria. Kuerseli or the Festival of Nomads Nigeria. Turang and Wodabe People Gathering. 76th UN General Assembly Building Resilience Through Hope 1945 Abdullah Shahid. Headquarter New York. 76th Union General Assembly Building Better Resilience Through Hope. Abdullah Shahid. Headquarter New York. Jyoti Surekha Venan Silver Archery. Jyoti Surekha Venan Silver Archery. PM PMFEE दीन दयाल उपाध्याय DAYNULM. Steve Wozniak launched new space startup called Privateer Space. Steve Wozniak launched new space startup called Privateer Space. Israel TCS and Neogen Software Banking Service Bureau project. Israel TCS and Newgen Software. Haryana launched Samarpan portal. Haryana launched Samarpan portal for people to offer voluntary services. Haryana launched Samarpan portal to offer voluntary services. MD and CEO of ICICI Bank Sandeep Bakshe. MD and CEO of ICICI Bank Sandeep Bakshe. GDP ICRA 9% forecast. Day of action for River Day. Day of action for River Day. Amazon Internet Services MOU. Maiti Startup Hub Chief Guest. Amazon Internet Services MOU. Maiti Startup Hub. Chief Guest Global FinTech Fest Nirmala Sitharaman. Hard Day Use Hard to Connect. US India Hydrogen Task Force and Biofuels Task Force to decarbonize energy sector. US India Hydrogen Task Force. Antoday Divas 25th September Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay. Antoday Divas 25th September Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay birth anniversary. Amrit Grand Challenge Program. Jan Care, Ministry of Science and Technology. Youth Affairs Sports launched the National Service Scheme NSS Award 42 pensioners by Ramnath Kovind. World Rabies Day Fact for Fear 28th September. Government of India borrowed rupees 5 lakh crore from RBI to recover from COVID-19. First ever bronze startup Bitcoin's creator Satoshi Nakamoto, Budapest. First ever bronze statue Bitcoin's creator at Budapest Satoshi Nakamoto. Ministry of Rural Development President Hunarbaz Award. Ministry of Rural Development presented Hunarbaz Award to 75 differently able candidates on Antoday Divas. Promotion of medical device parks rupees 400 crore. South Africa hosted 10th edition UNESCO Global Media and Information Literacy Week. South Asia hosted 10th edition of UNESCO Global Media and Information Literacy Week. Theme: Media and Information Literacy Week for Public Good. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. Now we have almost completed our September month, but 5th to 11th I think remaining. We will try to cover it as soon as possible. But in next video I will start with October, as I have not made the video of 5 to 11 September. Thank you so much for watching the video.